Hello third graders, welcome back to a new video, and in today's lesson we are going to be learning fractions. Introduction. Fractions are a fundamental part of mathematics and are used to represent a part of a whole or a ratio between two quantities. So how do you identify a fraction? They are written as a number over another number separated by a horizontal line, which is called a fraction bar. The top bunk is called the numerator and the bottom bunk is called the denominator. Multimedia. Fractions are used in real-life situations where we need to split or divide something into equal parts, such as dividing a pizza, sharing candy, or measuring ingredients in a recipe. For example, if we divide a pizza into 8 equal slices, each slice represents 1/8 of a whole pizza. If we want to share 3/4 of a candy bar equally between two people, we would give each person 3/8 of the candy bar. Here are some examples of equivalent fractions using pizzas. The first two examples, 6/8 and 8/8. 6/8 and 3/4 are both equivalent. In order to get from 6/8 to 3/4, you'll have to divide by 2 halves. 8/8 and 1/2 are both equivalent too. In order to get from 8/8 to 1/2, you have to divide by 8/8. Try this out. Here are a few practice problems and try to answer them all alone by pausing the video. Here are the answers. Pause the video to check if you are correct. Now, when do you actually use fractions in the real world? Another important use of fraction is measurement. For instance, we use fractions to measure time, such as half an hour, 3/4 of an hour. We can also use them to measure lengths, such as 1/4 an inch or half a meter. It is crucial to understand fractions because they help us solve real-world problems and make sense of the world around us. They also form the foundation of more advanced mathematical concepts like decimals and percentage. Now let's dive more into equivalent fractions. Here are a list of equivalent fractions that both equal 1/2 of pizza, or 2/4, or 3/6, or 4/8. All of these are half the quantities. Thank you, third graders. I'll see you guys in another video, and make sure to test yourself using our fraction quizzes.